First problem is 8 root 3 minus 2 root 3 plus 4 root 3. It is very simple. Like when you add not decimals, fractions, no, like 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6. So when you have same denominators, you will just write 2 by 6. 1 plus 1, 2 by 6. In the same way, when you have the roots same, you can directly add the numbers. Like, what is the number here? 8. What is the number here? Minus 2. What is the number here? Plus 4. Then root 3. You can write like this, or you can even write like this also. Now, what is 8 minus 2? 6. 6 plus 4, 10. Easy one. 10 root 3 is the answer. Next problem is 4 root 2 and 3 root 32. So, what you are going to do here is same. See, when you have fraction, no, like 5 by 3 and 2 by 9, what you will do, you will make these denominators same. Right? In the same way, we have to do these roots same. Okay, so now, only when you do these roots same, then you can add. Otherwise, you cannot add. So, for that reason, you have to do these roots same. One trick I will give you. Okay, or hint. Take this root 2 because it is the smallest number, alva. This is the smallest number, no, between the roots, root 32 and root 2. Take this. Try to keep this number as common. That means try to find this number, or what I can say, try to have this number here, that is 2 here. So how we can get 2 in place of root 32? Like, so now see 32, right? So you can write it 8 4s are 32, or you can write 16 2s are 32, or else what else you can write? 16 2s are 32. Yeah, you got 2. Stop right here. Why do you want to waste your time? When you get 2, you stop there, because you have 2 here. You need to get the same. Right here, 4 root 2 plus 3. 16 2s are 32, alva. So 16 into 2. Anyhow, it is same. 16 into 2 is 32. Next, 4 root 2 plus 3. Okay, first I'll just split it. You can write like this: root 16 into 2. You can write like root 16 into root 2. Both are same. Okay, so here you can write root 16 into root 2. So what will happen here? 4 root 2 plus 3 into, what is root 16? Root 16 is nothing but square root of 16. So if you multiply 4 into 4, you will get 16. This is root 16 value, 4. So you will write 4 here into root 2. Next, 4 root 2 plus 12, that is 3 into 4, 12. Then you need not write into, because root 2 you can directly write it. Yes, now we reached our final destination. When we get this roots same, then normal addition. 12 plus 4, what is 12 plus 4? 16. Root 2 will remain same. This is the answer. So once again I'll explain you. 4 root 2 plus 3 root 32. So as you, when you do some fraction, addition, subtraction and all, how you will take the denominator same, the same way you have to keep these roots same. So for that what you have to do, you have to get the same number, here also same number, here also same number. One trick I'll give you, take the smallest number between these two roots. If here it is root 2, root 32, so take root 2. Okay, then try to keep the root 2, try to have root 2 in the place of root 32. Okay, so now 32, you have 8 4s are 32, 16 2s are 32. Stop, yes, you got the diamond, yes, 2. So then you write it here, 16 2s are 32, 4 root 2 plus 3 root 16 into 2. Next, 4 root 2 plus 3 into root 16 into root 2. You can split it. Root 16 into 2, you can split it as root 16 into root 2. So what is root 16 value? It is 4. 4 into 4 is 16. Next, 4 root 2 plus 3 into 4, that is root 16 value, into root 2. Then 4 root 2 plus 3 into 4, 12 root 2. Oh, we got the last. We are at the last step, root 2, same, write root 2, then 12 plus 4, 16, that is the answer. Okay, so next problem is root 48 minus root 72 minus 27 plus 2 root 18. Okay, what you have to take here, that is you have to take a common number, that, okay, I'll explain it, wait. 48, right? You write it like this. Divide all of them. Keep it in a separate box. Separate cell. Okay. Now, write where and all you can find the, I mean not where and all, factors you write. So I can write 3 1s are 3 6s are, 2 2s are 2 4s are. Then I can write 6 8s are 48. Okay. Next, for this, I can write 2 3s are 2 6s are 12. Then I can write 9 8s are 72. Then I can write, I think enough. Yeah, write 3 numbers. That's okay. Then where can you find, what and all factors do you have for 72? You have 12 6 are 72. Next we have 3 9s are 21. I don't think any number you have other than this. Yes, next. 3 6 are 18. 9 2s are 18. Then 9 2s are 18. 3 6 are 18. That's it. Now, first point is you have to see a common number. Okay. Plus perfect square. For example, 316. This number, okay, is this number, you check whether this number is repeated anywhere. If it is repeated one time also, it is okay. Okay, and even I'll give you one more clue. Just mark and keep it. Okay, 3, you have a perfect square, mark. No perfect square, done. Then you have 2 and 36. 36 is a perfect square, that is 6 into 6. Then 9 is a perfect square, 8. Mark it. Then only one number, nothing to mark. Okay. Next we have 3 and 6, no perfect square, 9 and 2. Now this perfect square is done. This step is done. See the common number. Is 3 common here? No. Common here? No. Yes, sorry, yes. Take these two. That is 3 into 16 for 48. Then 3 into 9 for 27. So, done. This step is done for 48 and 27. Next, 2 is common here. Here also 2 common. 8 is not common. So, this you got it. Cancel it. 2 and 36. 2 into 36. How much? 72. Then 9 into 2 is equal to 18. 3 common, 2 common. Done. What is next step? Now write it down. Root. This is little lengthy I am writing because you should understand the things. For that reason, once you are thorough with the steps, then you need not write so much theory. Ramayana, Mahabharata, you need not write. You can just write it in a simple way. Okay? Yeah. Root 48 minus root 72 minus root 27 plus 2 root 18. Next. Yes, what is root 48? It is root 3 into 16. Replace the values. Okay, replace these values with these numbers. Next, root 72, it is here. Root 72. 2 into 36. Minus 27. 3 into 9. Plus 2 root 18. 9 into 2. Now, take out all the perfect squares. Okay, you can split. One more step I can do. Root 3 into root 16. You can split it. No? Nice. Then, where is it? Root 2 into root 36 minus root 3 into root 9 plus 2 root 9 into root 2. Now, where and all perfect square you have marked it, take those values. That is, what is the root 16 value? It is 4. So, take it out and write root 3 as it is. Minus, what is the value of root 36? 6. Right, take it out and write root 2 as it is. Next, 9, it is value is 3. Square root of 9 is 3. Right, root 3. Plus again root 9, 3. So 3, you have already 2, so you have to write along with 2. You can't leave because it will cry. So you should not leave this 2. Then root 2. 4 root 3 minus 6 root 2 minus 3 root 3 plus 3 into 2, 6 root 2. Which and all roots are common? Root 2, root 2. This is common. This is common. Write one design of line. Where the other pair, one more newly married couple, this one, this one. Now, you can only subtract or add with the same roots. So, this and this you can subtract or add. This and this you can subtract or add because these are same roots. Okay. So, 4 root 3, you write root 3 here. 4 minus 3, you need to just same. The outside number you have to subtract. 4 minus 3, 1. Then root 2 common, minus 6 plus 6, 0. It goes off. So the answer is 1 root 3. Simple answer. But lengthy method. Method is very simple, but I have just explained so that once you know it thoroughly, you can aramse write it. Solve the other problems. Okay, next problem is root 50 minus root 98 plus root 162. Here also we'll keep all the numbers separately in a separate box. Okay. Next. Okay. Write the factors. So I can write 5 tens are 50. Then 2 25s are, that is 2 twos are 4, 2 5s are 10. I can write. Yeah, that's it. Next, 98. I can write, it is 98, Allah. So I can write 2 4s are 8. 1 carry, 2 9s are 18. Then I don't think we have any other factors for this. For now, it's okay. I think that is enough. 162. For this we have 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2. Why did I stop here? Because I said no, first point or the main thing, hint or the trick is you need a common plus perfect square. If you get this, stop there. Why did I stop here? Because this is perfect square. 7 7s are 49. Why did I stop here? 81. 9 9s are 81. 25. 5 5s are 25. If you get a common number along with the perfect square, bumper prize. This is bumper prize. You won the lottery. Okay, stop there. Where this is common, this one, this one. Now replace the values. Where you have root 50 minus root 98 plus root 162. Next, replace. So we have 2 into 25 minus root 2 into 49 plus root 2 into 81. You can split it or else you can write it directly like, what is the square root of 25? 5. Take it out, write root 2 minus, what is the square root of 49? 7. 7 7s are 49. Root 2 remains inside. Next, 2 into 81. 81, what is the square root? 9. Root 2 remains inside. So now we got all the roots same. Now 5 minus 7 plus 9, take it out, root 2, write it. Okay, so what is the answer for 5 minus 7? You can write like this also. What is the answer for 9 minus 7? 2. Then 2 plus 5, 7 root 2. This is the answer. Very simple. Next problem is fifth root of 243 plus cube root of 125 minus cube root of 216. This is the question. Now, it is not easy to find the fifth root. Okay, but I have a trick for this. I'll tell you what is the trick. It is the easy way to solve or to get the fifth root of any number in the sense till 1 lakh. You can find out fifth root of numbers till 1 lakh by this easy method. Okay, and the condition is that it should be a perfect fifth root. It should have it. The number should have perfect fifth root, like perfect square, perfect cube, like that. It should have perfect fifth root. Now, I have series of numbers here. Till 1 lakh I have written. Okay. So, first I'll say take this number 32. What is the last number? 2. 2 is the answer. Next, what is the last number in the next number? 243. 3 is the answer. 1024, 4 is the answer. 3125, 5 is the answer. 7776, 6 is the answer. Simple thing is, you should just take the last number and that is the answer for the fifth root, and it should be the perfect fifth root. Okay, till only 1 lakh you can take, not more than 1 lakh. If the question is more than 1 lakh, you have to follow the normal method. But if the question is below 1 lakh, you can have this. If they say that is a perfect fifth root and the number is below 1 lakh, easy method. But just for the confirmation, you can do like this, that is verification. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, then fifth root of 32, that is 2. just for the verification purpose, you can do it like this. The one of the easiest method. Okay. Next we have, okay, so once, we got to know how to find out the fifth root, no? So very simple, so taking the third number, the last number, that is 3. So 3 is the answer, 3 to the power 5. You can verify just for your confirmation and as well as to impress your mom. Done. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Into 3. Please mark so that you will not multiply it more than 5 times. 7 3s are 21, 3 2s are 6, 7, 8. 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24. Yes, it is confirmed that 3 is the answer for 243. Done. Next, 125. Okay, so generally I suggest you to start from 2, 3, 4 numbers. Then if you don't get solution from these numbers, go for 5, 6, 7. Now, basic rule, first these numbers, any number. If you take 2, it should divide this. If you take 3, this number should divide this. Check whether by seeing only you can check. No need to write again. 2 will divide. No. 3. No. 4. No. 5. Yes. Then write 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25 into 5. Done, done, done. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10, 11, 12. Yes, so 5 is the answer. Next, the last but not the least, 216. 216. So now, same basic rule. First you check for 2, 3 and 4. Yeah, it will divide. It is even number. It will divide even number 2. This will also divide even number. So obviously you can use 2 and 4. And 3 7s are 21 and 3 2s are 6. Yes, even 3 also will divide. Yeah, little hectic, but you can do. If you are good in calculating fast, you can do it. And don't write like me. 3 into 3 into 3. 4 into 4 into 4. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. No. 3 to the 9 and 3 to the 27. No. 4 for the 16, 16 for the. What is 16 for the? 4 6 are 24. 4 is 4, 5 6, 64. No. Next set. Welcome the next set. 5. Introducing 5, 6 and 7. 5 will it divide? No ways. 6 2 1 6 divided by 6 5 will definitely not divide. 6 3s are 18, then 3 carry. So 6 3s are 18, correct. Then we have 3 carry here, 6 6 are 36. So it will divide. So now you try for this. 6 into 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36 into 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 3s are 18 plus 3 21. Yes. What is the answer? 6. Okay. Now replace the values, and after this it is very easy. Here it is 3 plus 5 minus 6. 8 minus 6, 2. That's it. Very simple. You can follow the steps. Of course, this looks lengthy, but it is too simple. You just need to write little fast, then do the simple multiplications. That's it. Very, very, very easy. Just to make your maths life easy, I'll just write some square roots. That is basics one. Okay. So for 2, what is the square root? 4. For 3, 9. For 4, it is 16. For 5, it is 25. For 6, it is, okay, I can say like this, 36. For 7 square, it is 49. For 8 square, it is 64. For 9 square, it is 81. And for 10 square, it is 100. 2 square 4. So these are, you can write like square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 9 is 3. Like that. 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, 10 square 100. This is basics. You should know this. You cannot escape from this. You should know this basics. Other things are advanced. At least if you know this, you can learn other things. This is basic, very basic. When you are doing such kinds of problems, what you did now, for those problems, this is basics which you should know. Yeah. So just for your reference purpose, cube root of 2 is 8. Cube root of 3 is 27. Cube root of 4 is 64. Cube root of 5 is 125. Cube root of 6 is 216. Cube root of 7 is 343. Cube root of 8 is 512. Cube root of 9 is 729. Cube root of 10 is 1000. Cube root of 11 is 1331. This is for your reference.